Greetings of the day to the audience. Teens Corner is back with a new video.
The team of superwriters present you Artificial Intelligence. Artificial Intelligence. Chess playing computers, self-driving cars, personal digital assistance apps, flying drones, and voice recognition apps. These are all popular technological breakthroughs today. Unlike regular computer programs where machines only follow programming instructions, these applications see various technological tools to learn and make decisions on their own. This ability of machines to think and learn on their own is called artificial intelligence. As machines become increasingly capable, tasks considered to require intelligence are often removed from the definition of AI, a phenomenon known as the AI effect. A remark in Tesler's theorem states AI is whatever hasn't been done yet. For instance, optical character recognition is frequently excluded from things considered to be AI, having become a routine technology. Modern machine capabilities generally classified as AI include successfully understanding human speech, completing at highest level in strategic game systems, and imperfect information gains. What is intelligence? Intelligence, according to the Oxford Dictionary, is defined as the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills. AI, artificial intelligence, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, and self correction. History. The field of AI was founded in 1956 at a conference at Dartmouth College, USA, where the term artificial intelligence was coined by a Stanford researcher, John
John
M.C. Carthy.
McCarthy.
Computer scientists have been working on AI for decades. The table in the next slide shows the progression of AI through the years. In 1950 to 1970s, we learned about neural networks. In 1980s to 2010s, we learned about machine learning, and in present day, we are deep learning these both things.
How does AI work? AI includes tools and techniques like artificial neural networks, machine learning, natural language processing, and deep learning to work like human mind. Further, we have artificial neural networks. In our brain, there is a chain of neurons which communicate with each other through axons. ANN is similar to biological neural network. The brain passes information through a chain of neurons in order to understand and classify data. Similarly, ANN contains interconnected nodes through which data is passed and classified. The network is able to make decisions or predictions with accuracy based on the data fed to it. There is an added feature to this network which senses if the decision taken is right or wrong and gives feedback to the ANN. Based on this, ANN can change its future approach. Next, we have machine learning. When any child learns to identify objects or persons, we simply show them multiple examples of the object, and then our human brain automatically identifies the features and learns to identify that object. Machine learning model works in the same way. Machine learning means giving a machine access to information and letting the machine learn from it on its own. Machine learning is an approach to achieve artificial intelligence and uses a set of algorithms to analyze data and learn from the data to make informed decisions. Artificial intelligence could work without machine learning, but this would require building millions of lines of code with complex rules and decision trees. Rather than feeding computer and machines instructions on how to do everything, it is far more efficient to code them to think like human beings. deep learning. Deep learning is one of the many approaches to machine learning. In deep learning, a large amount of data is fed to the computer system, which it uses to make decisions about other data. This is achieved by passing data through multiple layers of ANNs. Deep learning can be applied to any form of data, machine signals, audio, video, speech, and written words, to produce conclusions like humans at high speed. Deep learning requires a huge amount of data to be able to take accurate decisions. For example, navigation of self-driving cars using sensors and onboard analytics. Cars are learning to recognize obstacles and react to them appropriately using deep learning.
Natural Language Processing (NLP). Natural language refers to the way we humans communicate with each other by speech or text. Humans speak hundreds of languages with different dialects, slangs, and accents, which is not easily understood by computers. Similarly, humans find it difficult to communicate with computers using the machine language. NLP is a field of artificial intelligence that enables computers to analyze and understand human language and also communicate with us using similar natural language. Google and other search engines base their translation technology on NLP. This technology allows algorithms to read text on a web page, interprets its meaning, and translates it to another language. Myths about artificial intelligence. When someone mentions AI, most of us imagine human-like robots taking over the world or helping humans in their day-to-day chores like cooking, serving, buying groceries, etc. In reality, AI is being used for a wide range of applications. Contrary to the prevalent belief, AI will not replace humans in various jobs, but is meant to work in collaboration with humans by creating new types of jobs and roles.
Advantages of artificial intelligence. First, reduction in human error. The phrase human error was born because humans make mistakes from time to time. Computers, however, do not make these mistakes if they are programmed properly. With artificial intelligence, the decisions taken from the previously gathered errors are reduced and the chance of reaching accuracy with a greater degree of precision is a possibility. For instance, in weather forecasting using AI, they have reduced majority of human error. Second, takes risks instead of humans. This is one of the biggest advantages of artificial intelligence. We can overcome many risky limitations of humans by developing an AI robot, which in turn can do the risky things for us. Let it be going to Mars, defuse a bomb, explore the deepest parts of oceans, mining for coal and oil. It can be used effectively in any kind of natural or man-made disasters. Example, have you heard about the Chernobyl nuclear explosion in Ukraine? At that time, there were no AI powered robots that can help us to minimize the effect of radiation by controlling the fire in early stages, as many humans went too close to the core was dead in a matter of minutes. They eventually poured sand and boron from helicopters from a mere distance. AI robots can be used in such situations where intervention can be hazardous. We further have the third one, available 24/7. An average human will work for 4 to 6 hours a day, excluding the breaks. Humans are built in such a way to get some time out for refreshing themselves and get ready for the new day of work. And they even have weekly off to stay intact with their work life and personal life. But using AI, we can make machines work 24/7 without any breaks, and they don't even get bored, unlike humans. For example, educational institutes and helpline centers are getting many queries and issues which can be handled effectively using AI. Fourth, helping in repetitive jobs. In our day-to-day work, we will be performing many repetitive works like sending a thanking mail, verifying certain documents for errors, and many more things. Using AI, we can productively automate these mundane tasks and can even remove boring tasks for humans and free them up to be increasingly creative. Example: in banks, we often see many verifications of documents to get a loan, which is a repetitive task for the owner of the bank. Using AI cognitive automation, the owner can speed up the process of verifying the documents, which by both the customers and the owner will be benefited. Fifth, digital assistants. Some of the highly interacted advanced organizations use digital assistants to interact with users, which saves the need for human resources. The digital assistants also used in many websites to provide things that users want. We can chat with them about what we are looking for. Some chatbots are designed in such a way that it's become hard to determine that we are chatting with a chatbot or a human being. Example: we all know that organizations have a customer support team that needs to clarify the doubts and queries of the customer. Using AI, the organizations can set up a chatbot or a voice bot which can help customers with all their queries. Advantages of artificial intelligence. As every bright side has a darker version in it, AI has also some disadvantages. Let's see some of them. First one, making humans lazy. AI is making humans lazy with its applications, automating the majority of the work. Humans tend to get addicted to these inventions, which can cause a problem to future generations.
Disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Second, unemployment. As AI is replacing the majority of the repetitive tasks and other works with robots, human interference is becoming less, which will cause a major problem in the employment standards. Every organization is looking to replace the minimum qualified individuals with AI robots, which can do similar work with more efficiency. Third, lacking out of box thinking. Machines can perform only those tasks which they are designed or programmed to do. Anything out of that, they tend to crash or give irrelevant outputs, which could be a major backdrop. Fourth, no emotions. There is no doubt that machines are much better when it comes to working efficiently, but they cannot replace the human connection that makes the team. Machines cannot develop a bond with humans, which is an essential attribute when it comes to team management. Fifth, high costs of creation. As AI is updating every day, the hardware and software need to get updated with the time to meet the latest requirements. Machines need repairing and maintenance, which need plenty of costs. Its creation requires costs as they are very complex machines. Challenges of artificial intelligence. The cognitive capabilities of current architectures are very limited, using only a simplified version of what intelligence is really capable of. For instance, the human mind has come up with ways to reason beyond measure and logical explanations to different occurrences in life. What would have been otherwise straightforward and equivalently difficult problem may be challenging to solve computationally as opposed to using the human mind. Summary. These are some advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Every new invention or breakthrough will have both, but as we humans need to take care of that and use the positive sides of the invention to create a better world. Artificial intelligence has massive potential advantages. The key for humans will ensure the rise of the robots doesn't get out of hand. Some people also say that artificial intelligence can destroy human civilization if it goes into wrong hands. But still none of the AI applications should have made at that scale that can destroy or enslave humanity.